Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. I'm so glad you stopped by, and I hope you're enjoying your day. As you may have noticed, I took a little break, but now I'm back. In today's video, I'm going to share some new home decor. So I'm going to share my take on some very beautiful, neutral, and abstract wall art. I know you guys have seen this wall art everywhere. It's all the rage. I've seen it online, I've seen it in magazines, I've seen it on Etsy, and they range anywhere from $150 and up, depending upon the size. One of the things that I like about it, not only do I like the 3D type texture, is that it's versatile. It can go with no matter what your decor theme is, whether you're transitional, contemporary, or modern, or minimal. It's super easy and it's aesthetically pleasing. So I'm going to give this a try, and I made one and I liked it so much I made a second one. I already have the materials that I need left over from another project, but you'll need some spackle, a putty knife, some gesso if you're reusing a canvas, paintbrush, and gloves. So I got a piece of cardboard that was the dimensions that I needed for the frame that I already have, and I added spackle to it. I put my gloves on because, as I said earlier, I like to get in there with my fingers and spread it out. You can also use paint if you want to customize your abstract art to flow with the color theme in your home. So here I'm just covering the board with spackle, and now I'm going to take the comb and drag it through the spackling to give myself a decorative design on the front of the canvas. And once I finished drawing the lines, I also went back and textured the other parts to give it that more 3D effect. And then after that, I let it dry. I purchased some plexiglass for the front and the back of the frame that I had gotten from IKEA. I used command strip, so I sandwiched it in between plexiglass and put it inside the frame that I already had that I had gotten from IKEA. And I hung it on the wall. I love the way it turned out. I think that is so pretty. And then I had some stems that I had gotten from Hobby Lobby. I'm not sure what, they're not olive. I'm not sure what type of stems they are, but they were absolutely beautiful.
Got a whole lot of words falling out, yeah, run your mouth. Take your hold, deep you go, baby, go and show yourself. Play your game, I'll be patiently waiting.
And the vase I got from Home Goods. Of course, there's my signature candle, Cashmere Plum. The basket I got from Home Goods. And now for the second canvas. Here you're going to see me using gesso. I decided to use gesso on this one because, again, it was a lot of color. So there was a lot of pigment on this. There was a lot of pigment on this canvas already and a lot of texture. So I thought that I would take it back to a white base by using the gesso. And I'm glad that I did. It really makes a difference. So I'm going to do 2 coats of gesso. I'm going to let it dry a couple hours in between, and then I'll come back and actually add the speckle.
You were at your mother's, your brother's, whatever. I've had enough, but I guess I'll let you finish up. All the stories that you tell, what a beautiful imagination. And you should've tell them about where you've been, who you're with, yeah, okay then. You go ahead and
Now here I'm taking the putty knife and I'm adding the spackle to the canvas that's been gessoed and has dried. And I'm going to use the putty knife and I'm going to use my fingers to get it on there. My canvas was not big, but it is very long, so it was starting to dry on me, so I was trying to work really fast to get my highs and my lows and texturize it just the way that I wanted before it dried too much. But it was drying quick because I was outside.
I ain't worried about the future cause I know it's in your hands. I'm the furthest thing from perfect, but I know you understand. I was limping quick to running, now I'm flying Peter Pan. And it's all because of every single step I had your hand, yeah. Every single step I had your hand. Now I got the blessings on demand. Anything you say is my command. Whole life heard no, but you told me that I can't. So I lay it all out cause I trust you like that. And I give it all to you cause you got it like that. Any seed that I sowed, boomerang right back. Now I'm living with a joy, you can never buy that. Yeah, yeah. It ain't never easy, life can be hard. But if you trust and you believe it, you can make it with God, God, yeah. No matter where I'm going, I know I'll make it through. Joy's coming in the morning, so I choose to wait on you.
So I let it dry overnight. Luckily, this canvas already had the hanging mechanisms on the back, so all I had to do was put it on the wall, and I love the way it turned out.
I can't think of anything I did or even do to deserve just 1 inch of your love that makes people new. And the way that you saved me out of that den when all of the lions were covering my head. You had another plan, and you gave me another chance. Oh, the way that you got me, yeah, got me like that. It's the kind of love that will let you fall, but then will bring you right back. Bring you right back, right back, right back, right back.
No matter where I'm going, I know I'll make it through. Joy's coming in the morning, so I choose to wait on you. Cause you got it like that. Got it like that. Cause you got it like that. Got it like that. Saying we can do better, but we'll never do it. We say we wanna see change, but we'll never wanna step into it like. Let's put some feet to our faith, cause we get the life that we choose. I feel like we getting complacent, trying to go keep it moving. Just do it. Just do it. Just do it. Know that you can do it. Just do it. Know that you can do it. Just do it. Gotta keep it moving. Just do it. Yeah, gotta keep it moving. Just do it. Yeah, just do it. Time to go keep it moving.
Wake up every day with the same routine, faces running gray. Going back to
Thanks for tuning in. I hope you enjoyed my new home decor. If you did, hit that subscribe button, leave me a comment, and hit that like button. And make sure you come back and tune in. See you next time. Bye.
You are the one who has the king's eye. Time to say goodbye to the anxiety. All of the fear, better throw that away. Oh, you never look back. What you say, what you're gonna do, never look back. But you just gotta do it.
We saying we can do better, but we'll never do it. We say we wanna see change, but